Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Shaunneka and today I'm going to guide you through a hands-free, wrist-free flow. So there's going to be no pressure or any weight bearing on the hands. It's all going to be mostly standing, a nice stretchy full body sort of class. So we'll go ahead and get started standing at the top of the mat. So let's go ahead, bring the big toes to touch and a slight part in the heel. Drawing the shoulders away from the ears and down the back. And then just notice if you're sticking out your tailbone and slightly tuck your tailbone under. Contain the rib cage, hands open by your side. Just taking a few grounding breaths here. Let's go ahead and open the eyes. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, you're going to interlace your fingers, point your pointer finger towards the ceiling. Inhale, find length. And exhale, you're drawing a line over towards the right. Inhale, come back through center. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Coming back through center, switch the interlacing of your hand. Again, find length. And exhale, lean to the left. Inhale through center. And exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Inhale back through center. And exhale, bring your hands back down by your side. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, swan dive forward. Just generously bend the knees and allow the chest and the belly to rest on the thighs. You can roll the shoulders away from the ears. That feels nice. You can nod your head. Yes and no. You can even take your fists and place them in the eyes of your elbows for added weight. And again, just dangling here, opening up through the back. Maybe bounce. And let's go and release the grip, bringing the fingertips to the floor. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, you're going to bend your knees. We're going to find our way into chair. So you're sending your hips back and inhaling your arms up. So it's nice to think about squeezing your bum, and it'll help you to activate your glutes. Slight tuck of the tailbone, sending the weight back into your heels. For 3. For 2. One more breath. Inhale to rise, and as you rise, place all of the weight into your left foot, and inhale your right knee in towards your chest. Exhale, you're going to tip forward, extend that right leg back, warrior 3. So reaching out through your fingertips, reaching out through your right toes. Navel draws in for 3. 2. And 1. Step your right foot back. You might need to readjust the feet. Inhale, arms here. On the exhale, you're going to bring tension into the biceps. Pull the elbows wide, bend the right knee. And inhale back up. And exhale. Inhale. Last one. Exhale, bend. And inhale, come all the way back up. Let's go ahead and open up. So heels are in, toes are out. Go ahead, bring your hands to your hips. Inhale. And exhale, bend the knees. And kind of just sway from side to side here. Nice deep breaths. Maybe sinking a little bit deeper. Go ahead now, bring your hands into goddess arms. And we're just going to pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Thinking about opening the knees. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming all the way back up. Turn your toes in, heels out. Bring your hands back to your waist. Inhale. And exhale, fold forward. Bring your hands to the mat. And allow the head to drop. I like to find movement here. You can sway, bending the right knee and the left knee. Let's go ahead, bring our hands to our waists. Inhale all the way back up. And we're going to step up to the back of the mat this time. Bringing your big toes to touch. Let's go ahead and inhale, arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Again, just allowing the belly and chest to drape over the thighs. Allow the head to hang heavy. Nodding your head yes and no. And we'll go ahead from here. Inhale to a flat back. And on the exhale, send your hips back, bend the knees, and inhale your arms up. Chair pose. So again, imagine you're squeezing the glutes, squeezing your thighs, squeezing everything to the midline for 3. Drawing the shoulders away from the ears. Nice strong fingertips. For 2. One more breath. Let's go ahead and inhale all the way up, placing all the weight in the right foot this time. Inhale the left knee in towards the chest. And exhale, leaning over like you're looking over a cliff. You're sending your left leg back. Warrior 3. So really reaching those left fingertips behind you. Sorry, left toes behind you for 3. For 2. And 1. So bring your left toes to the mat. Inhale here. And exhale, tension in the biceps. Open up through the chest. Left knee to the mat. Inhale, rise. And exhale. One more, inhale. And exhale. Inhale, rise. Open up your legs to the side again. So bring your toes in and your heels out. Bring your hands to your hips. Inhale. And exhale, forward fold. For this forward fold, go ahead and you can grab onto your ankles if you'd like. Nodding your head yes and no. Sliding your fingertips back out in front of you. Inhale, halfway lift. Bring your hands to your hips, rising all the way back up to standing and stepping to the top of the mat. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, forward fold. So from here, let's go ahead and open our toes and bringing our heels to touch. So you have a nice V shape in your feet. And go ahead and just squat down to a malasana or modified malasana. So what I like to do is I bring my heels to touch and I reach my fingertips forward. Feels really, really nice. And if you want, you can always wrap your arms around your shins and just help to push open your knees with your arms. Go ahead, coming all the way back up, and then just come to gently sit on your bum. Extend your legs out in front of you, palms face up. We'll lower here for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your arms up overhead. Reach your toes to the top of the mat, fingertips to the back of the mat, and really reach, 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 reach. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And release. Bend the knees, bring the soles of the feet to the mat. Take your right ankle and cross it over the left kneecap. And you're just going to sway here from side to side, making sure your right foot is flexed. You can even pick up your left foot off of the mat and help to draw that right foot in towards the chest. And release. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So right foot comes to the mat. Left foot crosses over the right ankle. Just sway from side to side. And if you'd like, you can pick up that right foot and push the right knee into the left. And release. From here, we'll be making our way into a twist. So drawing the knees in towards the chest, cactus your arms, drop both knees to the left and gaze to the right. Come back through center. Same thing other side. Drop both knees to the right, gaze to the left. Come back through center. And go ahead now and extend your legs down the length of your mat. You can leave your arms as they are. You can bring them up above for your Shavasana. So feeling free to stay here for as long as you'd like. I hope you enjoyed today's hands-free flow, and I will see you back here again soon. Have a wonderful day.